funny how little things have a way of getting in where they don't belong. That's why your Subaru has an engine air filter. The engine requires clean air to operate efficiently, free of dust, dirt, or debris particles that could affect performance or wear on the metal parts. Your filter keeps bad things out, and the right filter also helps ensure that the proper volume of air gets in. How often you have to change it depends on the conditions in which you drive. If you spend time on dirt or dusty roads, or in high smog areas, you may need to change it more frequently. Have it checked at every maintenance interval because you probably won't notice any signs of a bad filter. Just drive on in and see us. We'll be happy to check your filter and replace it if necessary with a genuine Subaru part, designed for a perfect fit and proper function. Aftermarket air filters may not fit precisely, allowing particles to sneak through, causing trouble in your engine. You don't need that. There's already enough little troublemakers sneaking around. We're here to help. Make it last.